Welcome to this very important section on directories, files, reading and writing in Xamarin.Android. It's important because your app will without doubt start to write files at some point, either to store data or to allow a user to record videos or photos and the like. So first I'm going to teach you all about the Android file system, how it's constructed similar to Linux, and what partitions do what. Then I'm going to tell you where to store the files for your app, and in particular where your app is allowed to store files. Then we're going to look at creating some files and folders of our own. We'll learn how to read or write to text files stored inside our app's storage folder. Then I'm going to set you quite a fiendish task, which is to create an automatic log file generator. And finally, I'm going to give you the solution to that task, and I'm also going to show you about correct threading patterns concerning the UI of our app and background working threads. So, let's get started.